Mary Lacey, what's going on with Caitlin right now about that?
You're mad? You just want your memory.
Oh, you're killing me right now.
Yeah, I'm not killing you.
Don't drop the repetition.
I'm not killing you.
You're not good. Oh, thank you. You helped me.
I helped you.
Oh my gosh, this is a disaster.
That's a disaster.
This is a disaster.
Disaster.
You have no idea
I
what
don't
to
know
do.
what's going on.
You have no idea what's going on.
In front of me.
I'm very funny. I don't know why I'm laughing
You
right now.
don't know why you're laughing.
I don't know why I'm laughing.
This is random.
This is random.
You have to tape this?
I have to take
That
this.
sucks.
Oh, it sucks so bad.
You're happy?
I am happy.
You're happy?
I am happy.
You're happy?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. This is a lot.
Oh my god. You're making me laugh.
I'm making you laugh.
You're making me laugh.
Caitlin, what do you think about her making you laugh?
I'm kind of surprised that you're making me laugh.
Why? You're surprised. You don't think I'm funny. Okay.
I didn't say
You
that.
didn't say that.
I didn't say
You
that.
thought that.
I'm just surprised that you're able to make me laugh right now.
Mary Lacey, what do you think? Mary Lacey, what do you think of that?
Yours. I don't know what I did. That's okay.
You have to accomplish this, Caitlin. You got to do this.
You don't want to paper.
How important is this, Caitlin? How important?
This is a lot. I don't think you can do this.
Oh, I have to do
You have to do
this.
this. Dr. Holzclaw.
Yep, Dr. Holmes.
Mary Lacey, what's going on with her right now?
You're like spazzing.
Thank you, I'm spazzing.
Spazzing.
Ooh, I'm so
You're
spazzing.
spazzing.
I'm spazzing.
I can't tell. I don't know what you're doing.
Find the corners.
Find the corners.
But they're white.
But here's a corner. Corner. Corner.
That's a corner.
You're
You're helping me.
I'm helping you.
I appreciate your help.
You're welcome.
You have no idea what this is gonna do for me.
This is good.
This is ooh, so good.
This is so good. Oh my god.
Oh, it's worth it. It's worth it.
It's worth it.
It's worth it. It's worth it.
Caitlin, how's she being with you?
Really helpful.
I'm really helpful.
You're really happy?
I'm really happy.
Mary Lacey, what do you think of Caitlin?
I think that I don't know why you're shocked that I can be nice, but I don't care. Okay.
I didn't mean that.
You didn't mean that.
I didn't mean
You
that.
didn't mean
I
that.
did not mean
You
that.
didn't mean that.
Oh, I didn't mean
You
that.
didn't.
Mary Lacey, did something really good just happen to you?
Yeah.
You too.
Yes. Yeah.
You too.
This is good.
This is good.
This is good.
So good.
This is
This is so good.
This is so good.
This is so good.
You have no.
What happens if you don't get this done, Caitlin?
Ah!
You're rude.
I'm it just
You're speechless.
yeah, I'm speechless.
You're speechless.
I'm speechless.
I'm
I
help.
just don't know.
You don't know?
Oh, that's okay. Yeah, that's the same paragraph.
That's a paragraph.
That's the same paragraph.
That's a paragraph.
That's not a paragraph.
That's not a paragraph.
That's not
a paragraph.
Mary Lacey, what'd she just do to you?
Stop making me laugh.
Okay. Okay.
What?